This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Schwab Roth IRA. Start by creating your account on Schwab and verify your identity quickly. Link a checking or savings account to fund contributions and set automatic deposits if desired. Review eligibility rules and contribution limits before you invest. Decide whether to use Schwab Intelligent Portfolios or pick individual ETFs and stocks. Keep records for taxes and monitor performance regularly to stay on track. In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Schwab Roth IRA. Fund your Roth by scheduling one-time or recurring transfers from your linked bank account to meet contribution goals. Confirm the annual limit and ensure contributions are designated for the correct tax year. For high earners, learn the backdoor Roth conversion steps within Schwab's platform to contribute indirectly. Track contributions in the account dashboard and adjust automated transfers as your budget changes. In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Schwab Roth IRA. Quick recommendation: grab the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during long investing sessions and avoid coffee spills on paperwork. It's easy to carry and seals well. If this is useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos for retirement planning. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Schwab Roth IRA. Pick investment options that match your timeline and risk tolerance, such as Schwab Index ETFs or target date funds. Allocate across stocks and bonds to diversify and set a rebalancing schedule, like annually or when allocations drift by 5%. Use Schwab's research tools and commission-free trades to optimize holdings. Keep an eye on fees and tax implications when converting or rebalancing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.